Hello there once again, friends. My name is Derek Jensen, and I have the distinct honor, on behalf of my friends over at Tuts Plus, to bring you some very cool information about some mobile development. And not just any mobile development. I'm not telling you as a .NET developer, as a C# developer, that you need to go learn Objective-C. Or if you've heard recently about the changes in the iOS development arena with the advent of Swift, or maybe learning Java to head over to the Android world or things of that nature. No. I'm telling you, you can use the knowledge you already have of the language of C# and be able to write applications that not only run on those different platforms, but run natively. And I'm not talking about some web page that's running on your device that looks like it's native or something like that. No. It has everything to do with all of the hard work that our friends at Xamarin have been doing to create a very usable, very easy to understand platform to allow us as C# developers to branch off into these new worlds of devices and platforms that before we didn't have access to. So if you haven't heard about Xamarin yet, or even if you have, I definitely urge you to head over to Xamarin.com and to learn a little bit more about their platform, as well as taking a look at their development resources, as there's an awful lot of very cool information out there. And we're going to cover several pieces of that throughout this course, but most specifically, we're going to be talking about Xamarin.iOS. And as you may imagine, Xamarin.iOS is what's going to allow us to write C# applications that are going to run natively on your iOS devices. Now, I know that may sound a little crazy and something that might only happen in our dreams, but the folks over at Xamarin have done an incredible amount of work to create an incredibly awesome platform for us to use to write applications that are going to run on any iOS device. We're talking about iPads or iPhones or iPods or anything like that, and we're going to be able to do it all using some very comfortable tools that we already have in our tool belt, namely Visual Studio and C#. And I'm going to take you through this process and show you that it's not only very cool and very fun to be able to create applications that run on these devices with C#, but it's also very easy. So let's not mess around. Let's get started.